Hello everyone, Northwest Nova here with part 2 in our video series of where do the replacement seals go in my 1962 to 67 Chevy II Nova heater box. We will be focusing today on the tail end of the heater box, which handles the windshield defroster and the floor vent. The seals in question will be these three little guys, and they are out of the super common Repops heater seal kit that has been on the market since sometime in the 90s. Sell a ton of these, and I have personally installed them. So let's get to work here. First thing to know about this section is the seals varied in here and are not the same material as the seals found in the rest of the heater box. They can be a burlap foam type material. Don't know quite how to describe it, but the original material will not match the seals in the kit. You can see here the remnants of the burlap and whatever the foam bonded material they used. That also goes for that seal in there. You can see the remnants there. No one reproduces that material. It is out there. I've seen people make it, but that would only be necessary for the highest end proper restorations. Next thing you need to be aware of here is GM stapled all these seals in. You can see the heavy duty staples there. You can sort of see them right there. And then you can see the remnants of them there. Obviously, you will not be stapling these seals back in. You can try, but they would have been using special machinery and heavy-duty staples. Everyone just gets these surfaces as clean as possible and glues the new seals in, often over the existing staples. You can try to get them out if you want. Okay, where do the seals go? The first seal that gives everyone the most trouble is this square one. The square one goes on the inside, and just for reference, it goes in the spot of where these four staples are. It goes right there. It looks a little bigger from the outside, but it usually does fit in there. You can trim it if necessary, but it goes down in there. Right there. Next seal is the rectangle one, which goes on the door or the flap, and it goes right there. This is hard to do with one hand. Then the final seal is that guy, which goes on the end of the door right there. And the seal is split in the center, so you can wrap it around the edge of the door flap. The seal goes around the flap. Now, these aren't cut the best from Repops. You can see that's actually a pretty poor cut. So you may need to futz with that a bit. But the goal of this seal is to seal in here when it's closed. So just keep that as reference. You're going to want, that there. And then it also closes like that. And you'll see the combination with the other two seals. It's kind of making like a joint seal. And then when it goes down, it meets with that one. And it's sealing off the vent. So this is the floor vent. The plastic piece is missing here, but this is the floor vent. And this is the defroster vent. Now note, This is off a 66 to 67 Nova, which used a very different windshield defroster design. This box varied depending on year. This box is unique in 62. But that's what this is here. So for your early car guys, if this doesn't look right, that's why. This is off 66, 67. The functionality of this piece is the same as are the seals. So anyway, there is a quick overview where these seals go. Best of luck.